A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of red ball, find the number of blue balls in the bag. That is the information given. So bag contains red balls 5 and blue balls also contain, but that number is not given. So let blue balls in the bag X. So total balls in the bag is equal to 5 plus x. Now this 5 plus x is nothing but the total number of possible outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes is equal to 5 plus x. Now our to asked probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of red ball, that is given. That means we have to find the probability of drawing a blue ball and probability of drawing a red ball. So if blue ball drawn, then its probability to favorable outcomes are x. So the probability is favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, that is nothing but x by 5 plus x. So probability of taken ball is blue, that is P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here favorable outcomes are x and total number of possible outcomes are 5 plus x. Next, for picking red ball, the probability finding, probability of taken ball is red. So P of R is equal to, here the number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So for picking red, the number of favorable outcomes are 5. So 5 by total number of possible outcomes 5 plus x. Now by the given problem, our to said drawing a blue ball is double that of red ball. So blue ball 1, x by 5 plus x is equal to 2 times of 5 by 5 plus x, that is P of E is equal to 2 into P of red ball. So here this denominator 5 plus x transfer to that side RHS, that is the product doing. So 2 5s 10 by 5 plus x into 5 plus x. 5 plus x, 5 plus x gets cancelled, that is nothing but 10. So this 10 represents blue balls. Therefore number of blue balls in the bag are 10. A bag contains balls which are numbered from 1 to 50. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. The probability that it bears a 2-digit number multiple of 7. So from 1 to 50, multiple of 7 with 2-digit numbers probability asked. So here bag contain balls is 50. That 50 is nothing but total number of possible outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes are 50. Now in that our to asked a 2-digit number multiple of 7. A 2-digit number multiple of 7 are, they are starting from 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Now how many they are? 6. So the number of favorable outcomes are 6. So the probability of a ball is a 2-digit number multiple of 7 is equal to, that is number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, that are nothing but 6 by 50. So 2 3s 2 25s. So that is nothing but the simplification of 6 by 50 is 3 by 25. That means the probability of a 2-digit number is multiple of 7 are picked from 1 to 50 are 3 by 25. A bag contains some square cards. A prime number between 1 and 100 has been written on each card. Find the probability of getting a card that the sum of digits of prime number written on it is 8. That is the problem given. At first we have to take a prime number between 1 to 100. So prime numbers between 1 to 100 are 25. That means this 25 number is given the total number of possible outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes is equal to 25. Next our to ask the question, the card taken one is sum of the digits of a prime number written on it is 8. So prime number digits sum is 8 are the numbers here in that prime numbers, the sum of the digits is 8 are 17, 53 and 71. There are 3 numbers there. That means number of favorable outcomes three. So now the probability of getting a card is sum of digits of prime number is 8. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Here favorable outcomes are 3 and total number of possible outcomes are 25. That is nothing but 3 by 25. A deck of cards contains 52 cards and they are divided into 4 suits of 13 cards each, and they are, the 4 suits are black spades, red hearts, red diamonds and black clubs. And here in each suit the cards are ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And here the king, queen and jack cards are called as face cards. So total number of face cards are 12. Why? Because each one has 4 suits. So 4 3s 12, and the black colored cards are 26, 13, 13, 26, and red colored cards are 26. Why? Because red heart, red diamond. One card is selected from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, the jack of hearts, a spade, the queen of diamonds, a prime number. That are the questions here given. So a well shuffled deck of cards are 52. That means total number of possible outcomes are 52. Now that first question to answering, here given a king of red color. So red color kings, how total kings are 4 there, in that red color 2 there. So number of red color kings are 2. That means it is nothing but the number of favorable outcomes. So probability of getting a card is red king. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, that are nothing but 2 by 52. So the simplification of 2 by 52 is 2 ones 2 26s, that is nothing but 1 by 26. Now the second question, that is given a face card. In the deck of cards, face cards are 12. So face cards are J, Q, K, that are nothing but jack, queen, king. They are 12. So number of favorable outcomes equal to 12. So probability of getting a card is face card. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here favorable outcomes are 12 and total number of possible outcomes are 52. That is nothing but 12 by 52. So 2 6s and 2 26s and 2 3s and 2 13s. That is nothing but 3 by 13 is the probability of getting a face card from the deck of cards. Now the third problem is given as a red face card. So red face cards are how many? We said face cards are J, Q, K, Jack, Queen, King. In that red color how many there? 2 with symbols, that means they are nothing but 6. So number of red face cards six. That means this 6 is nothing but the number of favorable outcomes. So probability of red face card P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here favorable outcomes are 6 and total number of possible outcomes are 52. So 2 3s and 2 26s. 6 by 52 is. So probability of getting a red face card is 3 by 26. Now the fourth problem that is given as the Jack of Hearts. So Jack cards how many there? Heart shaped one only. So Jack of Hearts are 1. So the number of favorable outcomes are 1. So probability of getting card is Jack of Heart. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. That is nothing but 1 by 52. Now the next question given, the card getting 1 is a spade. So in that deck of cards, spade cards are number of spades are 13. That means the number of favorable outcomes are 13. So probability of getting card is a spade. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, that are nothing but 13 by 52. The simplification of 13 by 52 is 13 ones, 13 fours. So that is 1 by 4 is the probability of getting a card that is a spade. Next one is given the Queen of Diamond. So the Queen number of queens of diamond are diamond shape to queen, how many there? One only. That means this one gives the favorable outcomes for diamond. So probability of getting card is queen of diamond. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here favorable outcome is 1 and the total number of possible outcomes are 152. So that is nothing but 1 by 52. And the next problem is given a prime number. So in that deck of cards, prime numbers are two, three, 5, 7. So these 4 cards are the prime numbers. So total number of these prime numbers are 4 4s 16. So number of favorable outcomes equal to 16. So probability of getting a card is a prime. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, that are nothing but 16 by 52. So for simplification of 16 by 52 is 4 4s and 4 13s, that is 4 by 13.